Hey, what's up guys? You are welcome to the YouTube channel Money Hustle TV. Today's video I will show you how to get at least 10 gig every day from these free apps I'm going to show you today. So if you want to know more about this, how to make money online and how to learn free things and how to do different things online, you can subscribe to this channel and drop a nice comment in this video, and also share the video to your friends and loved ones. So that will also be part of this opportunity I'll be sharing today. So let's go back to our Chrome browser. So this app, I've been using it for over 6 months now, and I've been using it for free. And I used to use a lot of data. I know many of Nigerians are always in need of data, which you don't want to buy data every time. So this is an app, we call it is ReachOut. ReachOut. The app is on Google Play Store, Apple Play Store. I don't know if it's on Apple Play Store, but it's on Google Play Store, which you can check it out there. So this app, it works in Nigeria and Kenya, okay, and it works for all your network, Glo, MTN, Airtel, and 9mobile, okay. So you can use this data for free in any of your country listed, which is Nigeria and Kenya. So first thing first is to download this app from your Google Play Store. So I have my app already from the Google Play Store. So after you have installed your app, you open your app. Open your app. So let me just search it here. ReachOut, okay. ReachOut app. You search it and you see it. Okay, this is it. I already downloaded it already. So next thing to do is to go to your ReachOut app. So remember I said that I will be teaching you how to make at least 10 gig from this app. Okay, it's very simple, which I will be showing you in this video. Watch the video to the end. So I have over 31 gig already, which I have gotten from this app. I have over 31 gig already, which I have gotten from this app. I'll be showing how I got it. Okay, hope that you are not paying a dime for this app. I am not paying anything to start browsing for free. Okay, first thing first, you go to your Google Play Store back. You can download multiple space. Okay, this is an app, we call it multiple space. Okay, I have one of it downloaded on my phone. Okay, you can download any one of these. Can download any one of these. Okay, but I have my own already. You can download any of these multiple space on your phone. Okay, this is my own multiple space, which I have downloaded already. Okay, this is already on my phone. This is already okay. You can click on it. Okay, this is my own multiple space. Okay, this is it now. You can just to continue with it. Okay, so you can add your own ReachOut to it. Okay, let's say I want to delete this one now. I want to delete this one too. So click on this clone app, click on this plus sign here. Okay, you look for the ReachOut app. This is it. Okay, add it to it. So if you want to look at any site, you can use this app. You want to look at any site, you can use this app to also look to create different. It gives you lots of different sites of its own. You understand that? Let's say you want to use like 3 WhatsApp on your phone, you can use this app to use maximum of different app which you want to use. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, let's say I want to add another one again. I'll click on this add again. See, I can keep on adding it if I want to create an account for myself on this app. So likewise, your WhatsApp, you want to add more WhatsApp, you can click on this add, click on this add again. I hope you get that. Depending on how many WhatsApp you want to use. Okay, if you have any updates you want to use, you can use this multiple app space to run it. Okay, so that you can benefit from the site you want to use this for. Okay, let me just open my own ReachOut app which I'll be using now. So I close the ads here. So I set their details. You understand me? So remember, it works only in Nigeria and Kenya. So click on next. I put my phone number which I want to use. But before that, I'll be dropping my own code which you are going to use to register. Okay, I'll drop my own code which you are going to use to register. Click on this, refer a friend or tell a friend. Okay, once you see this, this will be your own code will be around somewhere here. Your own code will be around somewhere here. Okay, but this is my own code given to me already. Okay, I'll get that. So I go back to the multiple space to run it. So I already copied my own. I already copied. Okay, so I input my number which I want to use, but I haven't used for this before. Okay, so click on verify. It's going to send code to my phone number. Okay, so there is a code sent to me already now. I input the code here, which is 224517. So I put the code there. So I can choose my preferred name. Let's say monetizing. So I click on the next, proceed. I'm going to put my referral. Okay. So I click on this. I want to copy it. Okay, I click on continue. So I can access the app now. So once you use my referral code or use any of the code, anybody code, okay, you'll be given 0.2 gig, which is 500 MB for free. Okay, I hope you get that. Giving 500 MB for free. Just show you how to register on this app. The next thing is what you can connect you come to this zero data here. Okay, you connect your data, you connect it. So I'm not using this one to connect it, so I'll go to back to my own main account. This is how your interface of your own app is going to look like once you have registered your account. So now you come to this your setting, see tell your friend or refer a friend. So your code will be here, which I have told you already. So let's go back to my own main app now. So I have a notification that somebody used my code. Okay, they'll be giving me 1 gig for free. So let's say you can share this code to at least, let's say you can share this code to at least like 10 people in a day. That is 10 gig for you. Okay, I will get that. So this is it now. I have it here now. So I have it here. Okay, now I was given 400 MB. I was getting 500 MB from this app now. Okay, looking at this, I don't want this. Okay, I was getting 500 MB. Okay, so now basically now, before they used to give us 1 gig for each referral or for someone you bring now, but now you give the person which you bring in, you give them 500 MB, and plus you which you refer the person, you also be giving 500 MB. So let's say if you have 20 people, that means you're getting like 10 gig every day for free. I hope you get that. So I'm go back to my app here. So before I have 31 point something, so now it's not 32. So I click on this connect. I'll click on this connect over your secure VPN. I click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, see data is on. So data will be connected now, and to be sure as the VPN at this end. So let's wait for it to connect. Once you have clicked on this button, it's automatically connected to your app, which you can use for free. I hope you get that. You can use it for free, so you can start browsing for free. And remember, you need at least like, let's say 50 MB, so you can operate the app. So once it has connected, you can use it to browse anywhere. So don't need of turning off your data, okay? Because this data to connect. Hope you get that. So if you find this video helpful, you can also subscribe to this channel and drop a nice comment in this video. Share this video to your friends, and make sure the number you are using must be the number must have SIM, so you can collect the code from the number. So hope you get that. So you can get as much number you want to get. So you can also share your own code and your own code to your friends, so that you can also use, and you'll be getting 500 MB for free for each person. I hope you get that. So if you want to know more how to get free data and free stuffs online, you can also subscribe to this channel and drop a nice comment in this video. You can also join my Telegram group and Telegram discussion group. Also join my WhatsApp group, which I'll be dropping a lot of updates. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.